Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my Tutoring Company business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is dive into my Tutoring Company business plan template. Specifically, I'll show you all what's included in the Word document, which is the actual business plan template. And then I'll also show you all what's in the financial model as well, which is an Excel file. And then at the end of the day, we'll wrap it up, sum it up. And if you're interested in purchasing the Tutoring Company business plan template, the link is right here to do so. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations involved with writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write your Tutoring Company business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon. And then finally, I am also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those financial projections are giving you a hard time, then again, pick up the phone, call me. Love to help with your projections. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is the Tutoring Company business plan template. So when you do open up the Word document, you will be greeted with a page that looks like this, which is a title page. Most of my clients, they're going to go ahead and delete this heading right here. They'll put their logo and then leave business plan underneath. In the next section, table of contents, what you'll do for this one is just click on the table of contents. Click on, once you update the template, once you update the template, you put all your information in there. What you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go ahead and update your table of contents. In order to update the table of contents, you'll click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then your page numbers and your headers will update accordingly. On page number 3 is our executive summary. In the executive summary, I give you a real good starting point for the Tutoring Company summary, your target market, financial highlights, and then also your funding request. For your financial highlights, you do need to update the financial model, which I'll go through in just a few minutes. But once you update the model and you put all your information in there, then you're able to extrapolate the important aspects of your finances and include it in your summary. For the next section is going to be your company description. Again, I give you a great starting point for the Tutoring Company summary right here. Services provided, competitive advantage, primary target market section, pricing strategy section. And we got the hours of operation segment, location section, and then this section finishes off with the business objectives and timeline, which just gives you the opportunity to tell the reader where you're going to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. On page number 6, we go into the industry analysis. In the industry analysis, I do get my research from IBIS World. They are an industry leader in industry research. So what I do is I go to the report, extrapolate important information and statistics. And with that information, I'll update my template. And of course, I'll give credit where credit is due with a footnote citation to IBIS World. We also have a SWOT analysis in here. The SWOT analysis is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. And to update this information, just double click on the words or the sentence and add your information. The next section is going to be the organizational structure. And the organizational structure is broken into 2 components, which is the ownership and the organizational chart. Anywhere you see yellow highlights, that's where I recommend you go ahead and update your information. And for the organizational chart, just click on the chart that you want to update, whatever word it is, and then put your information in there. For the marketing section, I give you a great starting point for 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and then social media marketing. Next segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started or to expand on your business? And then underneath that is just relevant terms that you're expecting for the funding. For the financial projections, they do start with a profit and loss for year 1, broken up monthly as well as quarterly. For this page right here is month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we have month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then the final projection is going to be your pro forma income statement, which is your income statement projections for your revenues, your expenses, and your net income annually for the next 5 years. In order to update these statements right here, you do need to update your financial model, which is right here. On the financial model, you do have 4 tabs. It's your information page, projections, profit and loss, and income statement. When you update the information on the information page, and you can update the information in any of the darker colored cells, so all this information you can put your all these cells you can put your information in. Once you update that information, or as you update that information, your projection summary, profit and loss, and income statement will automatically update. So as you put more information in, the statements will automatically update. So the changes you can make are for your daily sales, which is right here, your labor right here, your startup costs would go right here, monthly fixed cost here, miscellaneous information, growth rates underneath, and your growth rates can include your annually for your sales, and then each year for your fixed cost, and then finally your loan information. So once you update that information and your financial statements are updated, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and copy the financial statements and go ahead and paste them into your Word document once you're done updating. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap this up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Tutoring Company business plan template, just go to this link right here. And the template does include the Word document, which I just showed y'all. It also comes with that basic financial model, which again I showed y'all as well. And then the third thing it comes with is free business plan tutorials. So business plan template tutorials, if you go to this link right here, I have several tutorials on there that helps you go ahead and navigate and update the template. So feel free to take a look at that. It is free. You can access it before and after you buy the template. There are some limitations to the template. First and foremost, you do need to have Excel and Word in order to update the template. So you have to have both. Also, if you have any questions about the template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email before you purchase it. I'd be delighted to have a great conversation with you. However, after you purchase the template, I do not offer free phone support. I'm not going to help fill it in for free. I do provide that service, a mentoring service, where I will go ahead and fill it in or help you fill it in, but there is a fee for that service. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan or do your financial projections, I do have packages right here for custom written plans. Go ahead and go to that link and check them out. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a fantastic day. Thank you.